3 reasons why every healthy home cook definitely wants to make these oven roasted chickpeas. Number 1, crispy, crunchy, salty, yum. Number 2, they are a delicious high protein, high fiber snack. And number 3, they're perfect for topping salads, soups, dips, and spreads. Plus, they are absolutely delicious, easy to make, and fun to eat. So the first thing I'm going to do is preheat my oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Then what I like to do is rinse my chickpeas. Now I always use canned chickpeas for this recipe, also known as garbanzo beans. So you're going to want one 15-ounce can, and you're just going to pour those into a fine mesh strainer, run them under some cold water. This will rinse off any excess sodium, and then I just lay them out on a clean dish towel, and then you can fold the edges over and roll them around a bit. You really just want to pat them dry, get any excess moisture off of the chickpeas, because just like when you're working with vegetables, anytime you're roasting, you want your ingredients to be dry, because if they're wet, they're going to end up steaming and you're not going to get that golden crispy edge that we're going for, which would be very disappointing because these are a crispy, crunchy, salty snack. So once they're nice and dry, I'm just going to transfer them onto a rimmed baking sheet. This is technically a quarter sheet pan that I'm working with. Then I'm going to simply season them. I like to drizzle a tablespoon of avocado oil over the top. You could also do a really nice olive oil here. Both would be great options. Then I have a half a teaspoon of sea salt, a quarter teaspoon of black pepper, and a half teaspoon of garlic powder. Now, personally, I love the classic flavor combination of salt, pepper, and garlic powder. You all see me use this all the time. It is basic, but it's absolutely delicious. But keep in mind that you could definitely play with different spice mixtures for these roasted chickpeas. As a matter of fact, when they come out of the oven, that's another great opportunity to add another layer of flavor should you choose. And when I pull mine out, I'll give you some more ideas for that. Okay, once I've got them all seasoned, you can see they're spread about the tray. They can be close to each other. You just don't want them layered on top of one another. You do want them in a single file. Then we'll pop this into the oven, and I'm gonna let it cook for about 30 to 35 minutes. Now, all ovens vary, so you're gonna wanna keep an eye on it. I like to pull them out about halfway through, give them a little shimmy shake so they cook evenly, and then pop them back into the oven. You're gonna know that they're done because first they're gonna smell really good, but also they're gonna become a nice golden brown. And when you pull them out of the oven and you shake the pan, you're gonna hear that they're nice and crispy and crunchy. If they have not arrived, no big deal. You're just gonna add on an extra 5 minutes until you have them right where you want them. Now, these roasted chickpeas are delicious just the way they are, but if you want to play around with spice mixtures, now would be a great time to do that. You could do a smoky, spicy combo and do a half a teaspoon of smoked paprika and some cayenne pepper. You could do nice and savory and do a teaspoon of curry powder over the top, or you could even go sweet, which is one of my favorites, in which case I would omit the garlic powder and the black pepper, and then when they come out of the oven, I just sprinkle on a teaspoon or so of brown sugar. I'll usually use a monk fruit brown sugar, and about a half a teaspoon or so of cinnamon. And then you have a nice sweet option that you could put on a yogurt bowl or over your oatmeal or over a cottage cheese bowl. So many delicious options. As for storage, I love to just transfer these right into an airtight container. They're nice and dry and crispy, so once you pop a lid on, you can happily keep these stored for up to 5 days in a cool, dry place. And then you have them on hand for sprinkling on your salads, maybe over a bowl of soup. You could put it over a dip or a spread or over your favorite hummus. They really are a super fun, playful snack that's packed with protein and fiber, so you have to give this one a try. And when you do, snap a picture and tag me on Instagram or on Facebook, and let me see all of the clean and deliciousness you're whipping up in your very own kitchens. As always, if you enjoy recipes like this, please take a moment to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. And if there's something specific you would like to see, let me know, because I love to hear from you all, and even more so, I love to create content that you find helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Dani Spies, and I'll see you back here next time with some more clean and deliciousness. Cheers. Oh, come on. Oh.